Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great guys. So as you all must have seen from the title itself, today I'm again in front of you all to share my review on a brand which I have been using lately. And trust me guys, I'm elated with the purity and quality that this brand is serving. This brand uses the most purest ingredient and all their products are free from paraben, sulfate and silica. And also they stay away from all the harsh and harmful chemicals and use absolutely natural ingredients which are pure and natural and very suitable for all skin type and for all skin concerns. And the brand which I'm talking about is Nature Spired guys. This is a beautiful brand that I came across, and let me show you my favorite picks from this particular brand. The first product which I absolutely loved is their face wash, and this is their green tea and aloe vera variant, which is specially designed for pimples. And if you people have been following this channel for a while, then you must be knowing that I have very sensitive acne prone skin. So for me, trying out a new product is a little bit risky, but now it's been quite a while since I have been using their product, and let me show you their face wash. This is how it looks like. The packaging is very beautiful. It comes with a silicone brush which makes it very easy to use, and it also works as a very mild and gentle scrub while cleansing your face. And the key ingredient of this particular face wash is green tea and aloe vera guys. And as we all know guys, green tea as well as aloe, both of them are potent antimicrobial, and because of their antimicrobial properties guys, they helps to prevent acne causing bacteria. All the products of this particular brand Nature Spired are 100% vegan. They are cruelty free, salt free, is even free from any artificial fragrance. And if you have sensitive skin, then you all must be knowing that any kind of artificial fragrance sometimes just tend to irritate our skin very badly. So you can definitely opt for this particular face wash as this is free from any artificial fragrance. Now moving on to the second product guys, which I have been searching for a while, is a good vitamin C serum, and I finally got one. And this is Nature Spired face serum with vitamin C and turmeric to reduce dark spots and wrinkles, and this comes in a beautiful glass packaging which gives it a very luxurious feel guys, as you all can see. Now talking about the key ingredients, that is vitamin C and turmeric. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant as we all know, and it not just only combats dark spot guys, but it also helps with the melanin production of our skin. And because of the second key ingredient, that is turmeric, has great antibacterial as well as anti-aging properties, which helps to prevent and even reverse hyperpigmentation. This product is very suitable for all skin type and is 100% safe and natural. And one of the things which I loved about this particular serum is its fragrance. It has 100% pure natural ingredient fragrance, because this serum is again free from any artificial fragrance. Now let me talk about the third product which I absolutely love from this particular brand is their face pack. Because of the ongoing summer guys, we tend to have good face pack in our skincare regime. They have their Kumkumadi Upton Multani Mitti and Neem face pack for skin tan. This again comes in a glass packaging which gives it a beautiful luxurious packaging guys. And let me show you the product. This is how it looks like. As you all can see, I have used this much, and the most exciting part about this particular face pack is its fragrance. It has such a refreshing, such a mild, genuine, natural fragrance guys, that as soon as you people apply this, feel all the way natural from head to toe. Apply this on your face, but this gives such a natural refreshing boost during this summer season that you must apply this. At least give it a try. I just love this. And let me a little bit tell about its key ingredient, that is Kumkumadi Upton Multani Mitti and Neem. Guys, Kumkumadi Upton is something which is known to uplift any dull, dry skin. It is great for removing tan, which makes it a very summer appropriate product. Talking about the next key ingredient, that is Multani Mitti guys. Again, great antibacterial and antifungal properties. Along with its third key ingredient, that is Neem, is great for all the people who have acne prone skin, who have active acne going on. All these three ingredients will work on your tanning, will work on your pigmentation, on your acne, on any kind of inflammation if you're going through on your skin, and will soothe your irritated, red, swelled up skin. It's a necessity during this summer season guys. Now talking about my fourth most favorite pick from this particular brand is their shampoo. This is their onion oil and rose shampoo for intense hair fall control, and this is how the packaging is. As you all can see, this comes in a pump bottle which makes it very easy for use guys. This is how its packaging is. All the products come in this kind of packaging. Again, very eye-catching, subtle and simple. Now let me read the key ingredients of this particular shampoo. So it has red onion extract, rose, glycerine, sandalwood. Now guys, as we all know, red onion aids very well in hair growth. It helps your hair to grow faster and thicker and fuller. Talking about the next few key ingredients, that is glycerine, rose and sandalwood. Sandalwood is known to soothe our scalp, to soothe our cuticles, okay? And because it has rose, glycerin and sandalwood as a mixture, so it gives a very natural fragrance. It gives a very natural mild fragrance to your scalp and hair without the presence of any artificial fragrance. And also this shampoo is free from any paraben, sulfate and silicone. And because I have used this particular shampoo, so let me tell you one thing, that this particular shampoo foams a little bit less, and that is because it is free from sulfate. It is free from any kind of harsh chemical. So this is great for any kind of person who is going through any kind of scalp infection or scalp irritation. And because this is free from all the harmful chemicals, so this is again a perfect pick for all the people who are going through any kind of hair fall. So guys, this was my own take on this particular brand, Nature Inspired, which I have been using since a few weeks. Talking about my personal experience, guys, I just love this brand because of the quality and purity of the ingredients. I'm in love with this brand, and I would highly suggest you people to at least give a try to any of the products which especially I have mentioned in this video, because I have tried these particular products only. I can tell you about these 4 products, and they have a huge range of hair care, skin care, so you can check out for yourself. And I highly recommend these products for all the teenagers, for all the people who have sensitive skin, who have acne prone skin, who have very soft and mild skin right now. They can definitely use this because all the products are free from all the harsh and harmful chemicals. So that's it from my side for this video, guys. I shall see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.